Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to cast Netflix to TV. Now let's begin. Let's open Netflix right now on our mobile device. As you can see, we have already installed Netflix in our mobile device. Let's simply open it. And here you can see we have logged into our account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. Just select your profile from right here. Once you have opened your profile, something like this will open up. You can simply scroll down and look at all the different movies and series available. But right now, we simply want to cast our Netflix to our smart TV. Now let's begin. At the top right, next to the search icon, here's a button like this. Simply click on it. And something like this will open up. Do note that your mobile device and your smart TV have to be connected in the same network. Likewise, Netflix should be installed in your smart TV and you should have logged in. Simply click on the TV that is shown here and you are ready to cast your Netflix video on your smart TV. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we cast your video of Netflix from mobile device to your smart TV. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.